Meron tayong gulay here. Cauliflower, carrots, bawang, sibuyas, chicken mince. Nilaga na siya, guys. Baguio beans, sprouted, and repolyo. Meron tayong wrapper, so ibig sabihin, maglulumpiang gulay tayo. Igigisa muna natin. Ginigisa na natin, guys. Yan. Talagay na muna natin yung buto. Mamaya tatanggalin natin ang buto. Ilalagay na natin agad yung gulay. Yan. Repolyo, sugi, mix natin, then add carrots and other vegetables. Baguio beans, mix again. Carrots and mix. Last thing, broccoli. Yan. Oy, no, it's cauliflower by the way. Ayan guys, done. Off na natin ang fire at mamaya atin ang ibabalo. Thank you for watching.